Love someone and they'll just give you hell.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. If this is your first time, you're very welcome. I hope you subscribe and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's wig is this absolutely gorgeous unit. Guys, I am obsessed with this wig. Like, it is so cute, it's so natural, it's perfect for the summertime. So this wig is from LUVME Hair. I have tons of videos reviewing wigs from their company, so I highly recommend you check out my page. And the box came with a bunch of goodies as always. It came with an edge brush, a wig cap, a satin strip to lay your edges, and a satin bonnet. They also sent a purse, like a bag to store the wig. I forgot to show that. So this unit is a 13x5 ready to go frontal wig, and the parting space, it's called Nature Max, meaning that you get a lot of parting space clearly. And it's a deep wave curl pattern, and it's an ear-to-ear glueless HD lace front wig. Now this, it says it's 24 inches. I'm not sure if it's 24 or 20. I will definitely link it down below, but this unit comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut lace. Like, they actually did a really good job with cutting the lace because they didn't use the zigzag pattern scissors. I have a strong feeling that they cut it manually with a scissor, so that's a really good thing. And if you wear glasses like me, this is also cut in a way that your glasses will lay flat. I don't have my glasses on right now because I have contacts in, but yeah, you don't have to worry about that. I actually didn't cut the ear tabs to fit my ears. I should have done that for it to like lay super flat, but please feel free to do that. I was gonna install this unit as a glueless unit, guys, but honestly the only con about this unit is I feel like it was so small on my head, except my head is getting bigger. But if you have a medium to large head size, I recommend going a size up, or maybe like customizing the size of the wig, because I could not wear this glueless, except maybe if I wanted to do like a center part, then yes, I could definitely get away with glueless. That's honestly the only con, but that can be fixed. Besides that, I really love this unit. I think the length is perfect, the curl pattern is perfect. It did shed just a little bit, but honestly with curly hair I noticed that it sheds quite a bit, so it's nothing out of the ordinary. Overall, I'll give this unit a 9.5 out of 10, only because I wish it was bigger. If not, this is a straight 10 out of 10 for me. I'll leave all the information in the description box. Highly recommend you check it out, and let's get straight into the install. Bye guys.
Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. Hope you don't leave nothing but a shell. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you. You know I'd do anything. I'll send signs but subliminally. Think of you till I fall asleep. We can be together, but I just can't believe it. Loving you, I'm singing so many songs, but not for you. And I can see you falling for me. Days they come and go as they please. If you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things out here just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go, I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Maybe this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you